Royal Haskoning DHV is a recent merger of two companies, Royal Haskoning and DHV, two engineering consultancy firms. Myself, I'm a consultant within the industry, energy and mining group business unit, and I advise on environmental safety regulation within the European context. REACH is an overarching chemical law for the EU. So it is for everybody who plays a game or has a role in the supply chain in the EU, it's relevant, but specifically for importers of articles from outside the EU who place this article, which is an object, on the European market, it is very relevant because they have to be aware of substances that can be that are very hazardous, that they are present in the article they place on the European market. That is one thing they have to be aware of. Secondly, of course, they have to be aware of those substances that are restricted or forbidden within the European Union, within their article that they buy and purchase outside the EU. But because they place objects, articles on the European markets, they have duties to perform to inform the recipient, the consumer, on the hazards within their article based on the chemicals in it. When they buy articles outside of the EU, which are most ProductIP users are, they have to be aware of the restrictions that exist and the information duties they have on specific substances. And now in July 2012 there are 83 of these substances, so-called substances of very high concern. They have to be aware that they have to be aware of the presence of these substances in the object or the article they buy outside the EU and place inside the EU on the European market.